My name is Nayibe Tautiva Beltrán. I am 19 years. I am Fusagasugá, Cundinamarca. I work assistant in pharmacy. I live in Fusagasugá, study administration in Hull University. Unat sea Fusagasugá. I like to see films coming. I like to play basketball with my friends. I like with my sister Juliana Tautiva. She is studying in Ticena. She is very tall. I'm sister under Angie Tautiva, work programmer in Cudensa. She has beautiful eyes green. My mother, Emilce Beltrán, is work security work in El Sena. She your chat 80 personality is nice. She's very cute. Thank you.